Head, neck and spine rugby injuries are the most severe anyone will ever have to deal with in a rugby match or practice. And it is important that you know how to identify a potentially serious head, neck or spine injury.
The mechanism that caused the injury, example spear tackle, scrum engagement, scrum collapse, head on the wrong side of the tackle or high tackle, is the first consideration when assessing an injury, as these events have strong associations with cervical spinal rugby injuries. Then contemplate the following red flags: deformity or misalignment of the spine, significant pain at the site of the injury, inability to move the arms or legs, inability to feel sensation in the arms or legs, significant pins and needles, noticeable swelling at the site of the injury, breathing using the stomach only, priapism or erection, abnormally low heart rate. The player may have one, a few or all of these symptoms, but it should never be assumed that a player having fewer symptoms has a less severe injury. One should react to any of these red flags, even if you're not sure, and take full cervical spine precautions.